Vision: an open, leading educational institution upholding excellence, driving and value leading leaders for the socio-economic development of society. Mission: the institution pursues innovative approaches in education to enhance instruction, research, and community involvement. It pledges to provide the learners a curricular framework to instill creative and critical thinking in a changing world. Strengthening of culture, environmental care, and values formation are inculcated to guarantee genuine transformation. SFXC core values: S stand for service, F stand for fortitude, X stand for excellence, and C stand for Christ-centeredness. Thank you.